Friends, last week I made a video wherein the granite slabs were taken out and the corporation authorities had started putting the pavement blocks. And today I am astonished to see the quality of the pavement blocks they are putting. It is entirely filled with only gravel. Absolutely no stone is there. And they have broken even before the people have started working. See, this is the quality of the bricks they are putting. These are supposed to be the 8 blocks. See, absolutely there is no cement inside. It's just filled with gravel and just filled with probably only dust. See, this is the quality of the 8 blocks there. Very sad state of affair. Just last week they removed the stone pavements and they are replacing with pavement blocks, and I feel that it will not last even for 1 month, the quality of the stones they are putting. And most of the pavements they are putting, the 8 blocks are already broken even before putting. And if you see the broken edge, you can see that it is filled with only gravel. And I will show you the quality of the pavement blocks they have brought. Even at the time of unloading, they are broken. See, hardly they have got any strength. Compression strength may be less than few kgs. You know why they replaced the excellent granite stones which were there for decades together. They would have lasted even for centuries. Now they are replacing with these types of low quality blocks. I hope the corporation authorities will immediately swing into action and see that the old granites are again installed here. Thank you.